Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new tool that I added on my website freemediatools.com. So basically this tool is all about the Google Drive API. So with the help of this tool you will be able to upload, delete, search files inside Google Drive. So if you drag down you will find out this tool here. Simply click this and here you have this online tool right here guys, which is successfully deployed on freemediatools.com. And if you want to get all this source code, I have given that link and basically you can purchase this full source code. And if you click this link here guys, you will be redirected to the let me first of all log out. You can even log out from the session as well. Now if you click it, you will be redirected to a screen where you can need to select your Google account in which your Google Drive is there. You can see I haven't published this app here. You can even get the source code and publish your app with a certain logo as well. You can all do this. Now in this case, go to advanced and like this, and now it will allow you to choose the permissions and the scopes. So it will see, edit and create and delete all your Google Drive files. So simply click on continue, and basically now as soon as it loads, you will see it will load all the Google Drive files which are stored on your Google Drive. It will load the top 100 files. You can all customize these options. When you purchase the source code, you will get all the options. So you can deploy this online tool in your own website to earn a little bit more money, because you can add this tool and you can use Adsense or you can use Ezoic ad network or any sort of ad network to earn money. Let me just tell you the features. So if you click on the individual file here, it will open it inside your Google Drive here. You can just see the file here, which file you are working upon. This is actual file here. If you want only the images, there is a specific button out there. You can search extensively using these buttons. So these are all the images which are stored inside your Google Drive. So you can see that this is a JPG image. So now if you need to delete this file here guys, I will simply click the delete button. So if I click the delete button, you will see a notification is there, file is deleted. And basically if I now once again open this file here, try to refresh this file, you will now see this file will no longer be there. Could not preview the file, you will see. So now the file has been successfully deleted. You will see that. If I click download, you will see the requested URL was not found on the server. So you have successfully deleted this file guys. In this way you can do that. If you only want the videos, you can see only the videos are there. So basically in this case, if you want only the PDF files guys, you will see only the PDF files will be returned to you. If you want to download any sort of file guys, you will simply click the download button and automatically as attachment you will see your PDF file will be downloaded. So in this case guys, all the features are supported inside this website web online tool that you can get. And basically this tool is developed entirely in JavaScript using OAuth 2 Google Drive API. And basically whenever you purchase this source code, I will give the link, and you will only 5,000 rupees is there. This is not a huge amount. And basically after you purchase this, you just need to replace the values, which is let me show you. After you purchase it, after you open your source code, you need to go to Google Cloud Console account here wherever you are developing it, and here you just need to go to credentials, and here you just need to create a OAuth client ID. Simply select here the web application, and simply you just need to replace your website URL here, which is authorized JavaScript origins, and then you need to replace the redirect URI. Redirect URI is something whenever you grant the permission, after which where the Google will redirect the users to. So simply you need to replace the redirect URL. It can be anything, you just need to customize accordingly. After you purchase this, you will see this is the source code will be there guys. After you purchase it, you will see inside my Google Drive I have this source code. It exactly contains 1 2 3 4 5 6 files are there. 2 HTML files are there and 3 JavaScript files are there. Not a lot of complexity in the project. After you purchase it, you can directly deploy your application live on the internet. So it's not a very, and if you have any sort of doubt after purchasing, you can contact me at the email address that I have. I will be ready for you. So you can simply just pay this using the Stripe here, you can use any Visa card here. So this will be a complete web online tool, guys. You can earn a lot using, you have seen these tools on the internet, but this is a very unique tool out there. You haven't seen these tools on the internet, which allows directly interacting with the Google Drive API. So you can also add some more options to it, or I can also add some more options. You can email me, I will add some more options here. So one thing I forgot to say, you can even upload files as well. So simply upload file, and basically it will also upload the file as well. So let me first of all log out here, and once again authorize your Google Drive account here, and basically go to advanced option. So this you can do for unlimited users, guys. You can once you deploy this application, anyone using your application will be able to do something like this. And now if I choose a file here, let's suppose this file I upload, click on upload. It will take some time, and then you will see file uploaded. So now if you check your Google Drive basically, or you can even refresh here, let's suppose click this button. So now this file is uploaded here. You will see that this image file that we uploaded just now, this PNG image, you can see that. So if you just go to open today, you can see that this image file. You can even upload videos as well. So this is a full tool out there. You can upload videos as well. Totally depends upon you. So this is 16-second video, which is 10.5 megabytes, and click upload file. So totally depends upon the size of the video, guys. So it will take some more time if you're uploading a large size video. So file uploaded, and if I say list all files, you will see this video file is uploaded right here. We can simply open this. So it will process this video file, because you can see Google Drive processes videos, so it is still processing. So in this way, guys, you can upload images, videos, PDF documents, and also you can search the files inside this awesome tool. You can try out for free inside freemediatools.com/drive profile. I will also give the link in the description of this video. And if you like this, if you want to also deploy it on your own website to earn money as well, that I earn using placing advertisements, you can just purchase it for 5,000 Indian rupees. So totally depends upon you. So as you see, guys, I'm just selling this all tools website. So I'm just excluding this tool here. So this is a completely different tool out there. So this will not be included inside this free media tools source code that I'm selling here. So this is a free complete tool here, which is there. So it totally depends upon you whether you want to do this or not. So I will give you full support after you purchase it. So it's a very awesome tool. So totally depends upon you whether you want to do it or not. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I will be seeing you in the next one.